Mahim, let me ask you a question. How many years have you been studying English?
Oh man, since primary school? So like 15 years?
And when you speak to a native speaker right now, do you feel 100% confident?
Honestly, no. I still freeze up. I'm always checking my grammar in my head while I talk.
Exactly. And that is why I'm telling you and everyone listening to stop learning grammar. Throw the books away. They are actually the reason you can't speak.
Wait, stop? Mahim, that's dangerous advice. How are people supposed to learn if they don't know the rules?
Because the rules are a cage, Mahim. Today, we're breaking that cage. We're going to show you the natural pattern method that actually leads to fluency in 2026.
Okay, I'm listening. But explain why grammar is bad. I thought it was the foundation.
It's fine for writing an essay, but for speaking, it's a disaster. Think about it. When you want to say, I have been working, your brain starts a math equation. Subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing.
Yeah, I do that. By the time I finish the math, the person I'm talking to is looking at their watch.
Exactly. That's grammar paralysis. You're trying to use your analytical brain for a social task. Native speakers don't use their analytical brain to talk. They use muscle memory.
So you're saying we should speak like children? They don't know rules, but they speak perfectly.
Exactly. They don't study, they absorb.
Okay, so if I drop the textbook, what do I pick up? What's the instead?
Step 1, sentence mining.
Sounds like I'm looking for gold.
You are. The gold is a full, natural sentence. Stop learning the word decision. That's a lonely word. Instead, find the phrase, I'm still on the fence about that decision.
On the fence. I like that. But why learn the whole thing?
Because when you learn the chunk, the grammar is already built in. You don't have to ask if it's on or at the fence. You just say the whole block of sound. You're downloading ready-to-use software instead of trying to code the app yourself.
So instead of a vocabulary list, I should have a phrase list for movies or podcasts?
100%. If you learn 5 phrases a day, in a month you have 150 blocks you can say without thinking.
But Mahim, I still struggle to understand native speakers. They talk so fast.
That's because your ears aren't soaked. Step 2 is the brain soak. You need to listen to English for at least an hour a day, even if it's just in the background while you're cooking or driving.
Even if I don't understand everything?
Especially then. Your subconscious mind is a pattern recognition machine. After 20 hours of listening, your brain starts to realize that he always goes with is and they goes with are. You don't need a rule. You just need to hear it so many times that the wrong way sounds gross to your ears.
It's like a song. I don't study the lyrics. I just know when the singer hits a wrong note because I've heard the song 1,000 times.
Spot on. You need to make English your favorite song.
Okay, so I'm mining sentences and soaking my brain. How do I actually start speaking like you?
This is the secret weapon, the echo technique.
Like an echo in a cave?
Exactly. You listen to a native speaker say one sentence. You pause, then you repeat it. Not just the words, but the vibe, the emotion, the speed.
So I'm basically acting?
Yes, you are acting fluent. If the speaker sounds excited, you sound excited. This trains your mouth muscles. Speaking a language is physical, Mahim. It's like the gym. You can't learn to lift weights by reading a book. You have to lift the weights.
Wow, so stop the math, start the mining, soak the brain, and echo the prose.
That's the path. No textbooks required.
I'm going to try this today. I'm deleting my grammar apps right now.
Good. And for everyone listening, if you're tired of being stuck at the intermediate level, subscribe to this podcast. We're here every week to help you find the shortcut to fluency.
Tell us in the comments what's the most annoying grammar rule you've ever tried to learn. Let's laugh about it together.
See you in the next one.
Peace.